Masthead, the title of the newspaper displayed on the front page. Barcode, used to scan the newspaper when purchasing. It is an optical, machine-readable representation of data and contains information such as price. Caption, brief text underneath an image describing the photograph or graphic. Headline, a phrase that summarises the main point of the article, usually in large print and a different style to catch the attention of the reader. Main image is a dominant picture, often filling much of the front cover. Page numbers, a system of organisation within the magazine or newspaper. Centre spread, a photograph often in full colour that runs across the middle two pages. Lead story, main story, usually a splash. Gutter, the blank space between margins of facing pages of a publication or the blank space between columns of text. Folio, top label for the whole page, can relate to the area covered in the paper, for example national or a big news topic such as social media or Syria. Page furniture, everything on a page except pictures or text of stories. Target audience, people who the newspaper aims to sell to. Quote, something taken from within an article, usually said by the person in the main image. Classified ad, an advertisement which only uses text as opposed to a display ad which also incorporates graphics. Skyline, an information panel on the front page which tells the reader about other stories in the paper to tempt them inside. Edition, some newspapers print several of these every night. These are versions of the newspaper with some changes and maybe additional later. Stand first, the block of text that introduces a story, normally in a different style to the body text and headline. Byline, the line above the story which gives the author's name and sometimes their job and location. Body text, also known as copy, written material that makes up the main part of an article. Standalone, picture story that can exist on its own or on a front page which leads to a story inside.